Well, here we go, folks. Probably the only place in the world you'll see Virginia and Truckee 440 being pushed by a Heisler. Only on John's bashed up railroad. Look at this stuff. Isn't this wonderful? All this wonderful stuff I'm doing here. I'm nuts. I'm absolutely crazy. And I love it. But that's what you do when you're messing with trains. And here it comes again. Look at this. We'll get a downward shot of it here. Look at that. That is about 40 years old. That's an old Tyco engine. That old Virginia and Truckee. And I was up in Truckee, California last week. Makes it even better. Didn't see any Shays up there though. But I did see a Heisler.